In this animation we will learn how to prepare 0.005 molar EDTA solution. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Source of Skills. Please like and subscribe for informative videos. We need some calculation before we prepare solution for the preparation of 0.005 molar EDTA solution. We need to calculate EDTA molecular weight. Formula of EDTA is C10H16N2O8. Put atomic masses into the formula, 12.01 into 10 for carbon, plus 1.008 into 16 for hydrogen, plus 14.01 into 2 for nitrogen, plus 16 into 8 for oxygen. After calculation, we have 292.25 grams per mole. We know that formula of molarity is number of gram moles divided by volume of solution in 1 Doom cube. 1 Doom cube is equal to 1000 ml, so for 1 molar, we need to dissolve 292.25 grams in 1000 ml distilled water. As we know, 292.25 grams for 1 molar, but we are making 0.005 molar. We multiply 0.005 both sides. So we have 1.46 grams. Let's start preparation. First of all, take a weight balance, power it on. Put a Petri dish on it, and don't forget to tare it. Now take EDTA chemical. You can put EDTA chemical into the Chinese dish with the help of spatula. Weight precisely 1.46 grams. Now take some distilled water in a beaker up to 500 milliliters and put the EDTA chemical into it. Start mixing it with the help of spatula to make a homogeneous mixture. Now take a measuring flask of 1000 milliliters and put funnel on the top of flask. Put all the solution into the volumetric flask. You have to fill it up to the 1000 milliliter point. For that, you have to add more distilled water in it. So, take distilled water into an empty beaker and pour it into the measuring flask to fill it up to the 1000 milliliter point. We have successfully prepared 0.005 molar EDTA solution. You can store it in any bottle you want and use it according to your requirement.